Hi, this is Kim. I want to see if I can do the lockdown browser from this computer that I'm on here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log into ETSU. And I'm on Safari at this time. Not Safari, I'm sorry, I'm on Firefox this time. Go ahead and log into D2L. And I've also done a video for Mac, so if you have a Mac, then go check out that video because it would be a little bit different. So we're going to let this log on. And then I'm going to select the course. So I'm going to select Pathophysiology here. Now give me just a second because I need to change my role to students so what you see is what you should normally see and not my view. So I'm going to go to content and we're going to pick the orientation module. And I want to take the quiz for the orientation module. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to scroll down to the quiz and click on it. Every time you come to changing a page, you have to scroll back up, which is sort of a pain, but we'll get it done. So we're going to download the lockdown browser. So I'm going to click on it. Now notice since I'm in Firefox and I've got Firefox is what I'm using. The lockdown browser did not go back to Safari. It actually stayed in Firefox, and so I have a tab here. And so Safari is what the problem is. It's not working well in Safari and Internet Explorer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download this. And it says to save file. Not quite sure where I'm saving it, but oh, there it is. And I'm going to finish. And it says mine's got Norton says it's safe. So now I'm going to open it up. And it says click to install lockdown browser. Warning. Oh, it's already been installed, but I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall it. Throw caution to the wind and reinstall it. So it's gonna repair it. It says it wasn't working right, I guess. Okay. All right, so now I've downloaded it. Now you can't, I'm gonna close this tab out so I'm finished with it now. I no longer need this lockdown browser tab. You cannot enter the exam from here. You have to actually enter the exam from the lockdown browser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out and I've got to find my lockdown browser. And I'm sorry, my desktop is atrocious. So I'm going to move this over where you can see it. And this is the lockdown browser. So I'm going to click on it. If you have anything else running in the background, which now I do. I actually have Camtasia on right now. Um, um, and so this is as far as I can go. Since I'm recording the screen, it will not let me run another program and take the quiz at the same time. So what actually will happen this time, it'll ask me if I want to go ahead and close this program. I'm going to say no because I don't want to. I want to finish and just tell you a few things. But if you did have something, you could either choose to say yes, it will shut it down for you, or in case you might be afraid you're going to lose something, shut it down yourself and then come back in here and click on that icon again. So I would shut everything down and oh, it won't let me do anything before. See, it's determined I cannot use lockdown browser. So I'm going to stop right there because I'll just worry it to death. But basically what will happen is once you get everything shut down, click on that icon. That icon will take you directly back to D2L. This time you will be opening D2L actually in the lockdown browser. So you'll go to the D2L login page. That's where it's going to take you. You will log in and then you go to either the content page to take the assessment or you can go to the assessment tab and you can take the assessment that way. So you don't actually go to D2L outside of the Respondus Lockdown browser. You have to click on the icon, and that takes you into D2L through the Lockdown browser. And so that should work just fine for you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to try to figure out how to get out of here and get this recording sent off to you.